It's a blurry Eye of Sauron. It's kind of scary, actually. Tried. Thank God, dude. If he had headshot me one bullet, I would. This guy has no idea I'm here. Okay, apparently he did have an idea. Or I don't know what he was doing. What the? Oh no, I have to reload. I'm dead. Oh my God. I didn't think he was gonna crash like that. Holy. Just not gonna be very effective. We can get it just right. It's gonna be pretty hard for them to get. That's pretty obvious. They should go that way. All right. Ooh, he juked me. Oh no. Oh no. I'm not ready. Alright. It's working. Everything's working out. That sucks that that vehicle just kept rolling. Oh well. Just gotta get it just right. Here we go. Alright. If we can get one more, we're gonna be... Let's try to nade this guy. Damn. My nade ripped him. I can't believe we didn't kill him. It was like right on him. I mean, I only had to hit him once. It must have hit him for like 90 or something. I thought I heard a vehicle. Whoops. Whoopsies. Land. I told you, dude. Here it comes. Let's go for another nade. Woohoo, boy. Oh my God, there's more. Yeah. Hi, Instagram. How are you guys doing today? All right. Let's get out of here. We're going in. Oh. Oh, it's Das Moose TV. What's up, dude? I can't have a guy in my compound, so. We must kill. Let's check to see if he has 8x. Oh my God. Are you kidding me, dude? Is this some kind of... Is this a joke? There's a guy prone in the grass right here. Ooh. Ow. What the... Why? Oh my god. Look at this. I'm in a hole. Did you guys know about this? What the hell? There's like a hole in the ground here. There's the airdrop. I can't go for that though, dude. Oh man. This guy's a 3 helmet. I'm gonna let him get in actually. Alright, well, I didn't let him get in. Ugh, this is so bad. Still 5 alive. I have no idea where anyone is. Just running. I smoked a crate. I'm gonna try to get this helmet. There's a guy on my right somewhere. We know that. My smoke did not do what I needed it to do. I'm not going to loot that. It's too risky. Okay, I just saw a guy over there. That's 1. And I know there's a guy over here somewhere. That's 2. I'm going to try to play this a little safe. Judging by where the circle is and where I've cleared, there should be... These guys should start fighting each other. I'm going to leave a few seconds early so I have like a little bit of a... Ugh. Here we go. Jesus, no wonder they're not fighting, dude. There's people hiding in bushes. Hopefully that guy was... If that guy was good, I would have died. Or if he hit his shots, I mean. Alright. This rock is really good. I'm going for the rock. Still 3 left. 2 guys are fighting. Alright. Alright, I just want to check this guy for nades, because that might help me. Still 40 seconds, and I still think these other 2 guys are going to fight. I still, like, I've cleared so much. I guess the one possibility is that there's a guy over here, and there's a guy over here, and they're not going to fight. Which would be pretty bad, because then I end up in the middle of them. But I'm just going to play it chill. Seconds. All right, I don't want to get stuck out of the zone, so I'm going to move. Is that a player? I think he's dead. I'm glad I saw him priming that nade. That was one of the best games I've ever played, probably. That's probably like a top 10 game ever. It was just like, it had everything, dude. It had it all. Epic bridge camp. Awesome shots. Almost no mistakes. Strategery. Explosions. Oh my god. It's too bad I didn't get a 20 bomb, but I could have if I wanted to play more aggressive, but I just wanted to be a win because it was just really good.